In this video, I am going to explain whether you can share YouTube TV on Zoom and how to do it effectively. While YouTube TV doesn't have a direct integration with Zoom, you can still share live or recorded content during a Zoom meeting by using your computer's screen sharing feature. To get started, open your Zoom meeting and click the Share Screen button. Select the browser or app where YouTube TV is playing. Make sure to check the box for Share Sound if available, so participants can hear the audio. Then, start playing the YouTube TV content you want to share. Keep in mind that sharing copyrighted material, such as live sports or movies, may violate YouTube TV's terms of service, so proceed with caution. For the best experience, use a stable internet connection to avoid lag or interruptions. Also, note that sharing a high-quality stream might reduce video performance during the Zoom call. Once you're done, stop sharing by clicking the Stop Share button in Zoom. While this method works, always ensure you're complying with copyright rules when sharing content. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to share YouTube TV on Zoom, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.